Hi kids, today we will be painting a pineapple. So for that, take a canvas or a paper and attach it to your work table, and then you have to make sections of equal sizing. I have made sections of 1.5 centimeter each and started with labeling B for black, then left space for white, and then alternatively I have done this B black 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 till the end of the paper. And the brushes that you would need for today are a flat brush. I've taken size 2, then three round brushes size 8 and size 2 for the pineapple painting, and size 0 for the detailing. All three are round brushes. So the paints that you would need are black, green, you can take brown or either sap green, like this is a light green shade, lemon yellow and golden yellow. These are the colors that you would require for the painting. So let's get started with the painting. First I will start painting this black. You can just wet your brush, flat brush, and take black in it, and start by having a detailed line from the pencil line. You just need to hold the brush, put it flat on the paper, and just pull it through the length of the line. Okay, you can take the paint when it goes dry. And then fill the rest part of it. So we'll repeat the same for all the black lines here. You need to be careful while you're doing the outlining edges to get that perfect straight line. If you tend to spread out from the line or something like this, it is absolutely fine. Later on we can just use white a little to just hide it when it is completely dry. Make sure you don't try to cover up the places where you've gone wrong when the paint is wet. You have to correct it when it is completely dry, so that it doesn't merge and mix with the colors that is already there and give another shade on the. So I'll just quickly complete this and we'll start with the next part. I'll complete and get back to the next step. So as I've painted the background and it is completely dry, wait until it is completely dry and then we'll start the drawing. So this is my center black line of the page. So from here I will draw the base of the pineapple. I will just draw an oval, rough hand oval from the center line and the center of this page. So yeah, I've drawn an oval and I will draw small irregular oval shapes inside this oval. So something like this. And fill the complete circle with this. Yeah, after this we'll fill this small irregular shaped circles inside with lemon yellow shade. So you can take a round brush, any round brush that you have, and start filling this. You don't have to do anything, you just have to fill the yellow inside this. So I'll quickly fill this and get back with the next step. So now I've done with filling these circles with lemon yellow. Now we'll start with the upper part of this. So take the round brush of size 8 and take the lightest green shade that you have. This is a light green shade. So now we'll start take it, place it in the center and just pull it upwards in a curvy loop. So yeah, like this. So with the point we'll just make it sharp and continue back downwards. Similarly, we'll have one on the right and left again. How I did the first leaf, similarly I have done two on the right side and two on the left side, and just a middle one if you have more space in between them. And then I've just gone a curve up and then down to make it look upwards like this, and here a bent leaf just by having an inverted C. And then I'll make it just a little bit fat and then bulge it at the bottom. Okay, similarly here the short, I'll just draw a shorter one now, just outward curves like this and make it little sharp. Now more smaller ones. Okay, similarly I will do it in the other side. Okay, so yeah, we are done with this now. I'll just mix a little amount of brown in this green shade to get a sap green color, as you can see, and just have some strokes in the bottom in each leaf. In each leaf I'll just give one stroke with this color so that it will not completely go through the leaf, just some part of it wherever you want. Yeah, so you can have that dual shade of leaf look. So we are done with the double shading. Now I'll just take a little part of lemon yellow and repeat the same step with this. So yeah, I've just taken a little lemon yellow and just blending off. some other tips also. Done with that upper part, I'll just take the golden yellow shade and make star kind of thing at the center of each circle. Okay, I'll just quickly finish this and get back with the next step. So after I have completed with having the golden yellow shade at the center of each circular shapes, now I'll just take black and fill the gaps in between that is left by giving it a good shape. So I'll quickly finish with this step. You can also do this step. You just have to fill the gaps like this. And give a good shape to it. So this is the complete look of the painting after you're done with the outlining of black in between the gaps. So I hope you enjoyed today's painting. See you in the next session.